Hello everyone, welcome back to TixJams. Want to see your Google Play Store download history? If you want to find apps you have downloaded before but later uninstalled, don't worry. Google Play Store keeps history of them and you can view it in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Then tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, tap Manage Apps and Device. Now tap the Manage tab and at the top. By default, you will only see the apps that are currently installed on your phone. To view your download history, tap this device at the top, then change it to Not Installed. You will now see a list of all the apps you have previously downloaded with your Google account but have since removed from your device. You can scroll through the list, search for an app you have used before, or tap the download icon and to install it. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to TixChamps, and I will see you in the next video.